Facing trouble saving your TikTok videos in your iPhone? This issue can be caused by app glitches, storage problems, or permission settings. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the couldn't save video problem on TikTok for your iPhone. Let's get started. Before we start, open up the Safari app, type fast.com. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn this off. After doing these basic things, if you still have the same issues, then follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Enable video downloads. First, open up the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. After that, tap Privacy. Now scroll down a little bit. Tap Downloads. Now enable the video downloads. Solution 2. Allow TikTok photo access. Open up the Settings app again. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap Apps. After that, find the TikTok app. Tap on it. Now tap Photos. Now make sure to select Full Access. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Free up the iPhone storage. Go to the Settings app on iPhone. Then tap General. Next tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap Delete App again. Solution 4. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. After that, go back to Home and force close the TikTok app from the recent tab. That's how you can fix the couldn't save video issue on TikTok using your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.